Discover the cutting-edge Czinger 21C, a revolutionary 3D printed hypercar inspired by the legendary state Route 71 Blackbird. Designed through an advanced human-AI collaboration, this family-owned marvel from Czinger showcases groundbreaking technology and unparalleled performance. Dive into the innovative design and engineering that make the 21C a true masterpiece in automotive history. Czinger has stated its intention to construct a total of 4 Blackbirds, representing the 4 members of the Czinger family. The base price of each car is $2.8 million, which is higher than the standard 21CS starting price of $2 million. Both the parts production cost and the cost of the machinery used to make it are typically subject to some kind of trade-off. Companies have the option to spend millions on costly machinery that allows them to scale rapidly and reduce production costs, or they can choose to invest in less expensive tooling that requires more time and labor, making it more difficult to mass-produce parts at a low cost. This causal relationship can be bypassed, according to Czinger vehicles, by using 3D printing. The young Californian carmaker is using this manufacturing technique on its 21C hypercar, so it's clear it means business. It is immediately apparent that the Czinger 21C is a hypercar. This vehicle's appearance alone was enough to make us droop our shoulders in surprise, let alone its 4-figure horsepower and record-breaking performance. Every requirement for membership in the Hypercar Club is met, and then some, by the 21C, thanks to its carbon fiber-intensive build, custom hybrid powertrain, extreme downforce, and fighter jet-like seating. Still, these compliments mean nothing in the grand scheme of things that Czinger has envisioned. The father and son team behind the 21C, Kevin and Lucas Czinger, showed us around their South Bay facility in Los Angeles, and it became obvious that their work goes well beyond just one ultra-high-performance vehicle.